Alright class, welcome back. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of sedimentary rocks. These rocks, unlike igneous or metamorphic rocks, are formed from pre-existing rock fragments, minerals, or organic materials. Essentially, they're the Earth's scrapbooks, preserving clues about past environments and climates. We can break down their formation into a few key stages: weathering, transportation, deposition, and lithification. First, weathering breaks down existing rocks into smaller pieces, or sediments. This can be physical, like the freeze-thaw cycle cracking rocks, or chemical, like acidic rainwater dissolving minerals. Now, these sediments don't just stay put. They're transported by wind, water, or ice, often over long distances. Imagine a river carrying sand and pebbles downstream. That's transportation in action. Interestingly, the size and shape of the sediments can tell us about the type of transportation. Rounded pebbles, for instance, often indicate transport by water, as the tumbling action smooths them out. That brings us to deposition. When the transporting force loses energy, the sediments settle out, forming layers. Think about the layers of sand you see at the beach. That's a simple example of deposition. Finally, these loose sediments become solid rock through lithification. This involves compaction, where the weight of overlying layers squeezes the sediments together, and cementation, where dissolved minerals in groundwater bind the sediments. Now, a brief aside. You might be thinking, why should I care about sedimentary rocks? Well, they're incredibly important for understanding Earth's history. They contain fossils, which provide insights into past life forms, and they also hold valuable resources like coal, oil, and natural gas. So, to wrap things up, sedimentary rocks are formed through a series of processes: weathering, transportation, deposition, and lithification. These rocks tell a rich story about Earth's past, and they're also vital for our present-day resources. We'll delve into specific types of sedimentary rocks next time.